Some of y'all spending too much of your life asking people, do you like me? When you might need to be asking them, do you see me? You ain't got to like me in this season. I like me. I am not so immature to think you not liking me gonna have me at home crying. Trust me, you ain't the first, and you ain't gonna be the last. In this season of my life, it ain't about if you like me. I only want people around me who can see me. I am tired of being around people who like me but don't see me. Do you see the oil on my life? Can you see that I'm different? I may not have on nothing designer, but I'm expensive.